let's say with Jet Lawrence injured, I was really looking forward to a two-man chase with Chase Sexton and Hunter Lawrence battling it out for the championship when at the point Jet got injured. I think it was what, like a 4 point difference or something like that. Hunter had the red plate and it was like, hey, he might actually have a chance. Well, 3 straight weeks, 3 straight, wins, and Washougal a sweep for Chase Sexton has now ballooned this lead from Hunter Lawrence winning or leading to Chase being up by what, 28 points. So a whole moto, he's up, and it kind of sucks because what you expected to be maybe a better race, maybe a better season, or at least a competitive point at this is like, nope, he's just gonna walk away with it, and and you never want to see this. Like this is what I don't enjoy. You want the best people racing, and you want like somebody to win one week, somebody else to win next week, and podiums changing and stuff. And it's just when one person wins every single week, it gets kind of stale, and it's just, I mean, good for Chase to take the opportunity that your main rival is injured and out, and his brother is apparently not handling the pressure or whatever is going on there. But to take the reins of this, walk away with another championship, and just be happy. I mean, obviously, for himself monetarily, this is going to be incredible. Here's another championship. You get the bonus for every single win you're outside. I'm assuming in his contract he probably has some bonus for championships. And for him, you take whatever you can get. Whether it's you think people are going to give the asterisk of, both of his championships have been because his main rival was injured or gets injured, and it is. You can say whatever you want, but to win, you have to finish. And if you can't finish a year because you get injured, somebody else is going to, and it is what it is. I mean, obviously this year with Roxon out, Webb out, uh, Tomac out, now Jet gone, there's a lot of competition just not racing. But, for him, hey, grab the reins, grab all the championship points and bonus money you can get while you're out there. But I don't know. Comments below, you guys tell me. Are you enjoying this year? Is it kind of boring because there is so many people gone? Uh, Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things the platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.